We want to grow onion and garlic on the water. We want to harvest garlic and onion leaves. So let me try. I try to experiment with the different things here. So maybe a little bit here. Right there. I'm cutting it. And then we are growing not only onion, garlic too. I think they will grow good. Same thing here. I want to just whole garlic. We are going to, I don't know if we need to cut it. Let me cut it. Oh. It's coming a little bit. So let me cut this one too. Here. And this one right here. And then this one right here. Maybe like this. Yeah, I want to leave it. I don't want to cut all of them because I want to see the difference. Right here. This guy right here. So let's see what happens. And then this one right here. Oh, well cut. So pretty easy. We are going to put water here. And this container, we are reusing it. So let me put I think this much. Alright, so I'm going to put this way. And basically, just put it here. And then I want to put here, making sure that the onion is touching water right here, and then this one right here, this one right here, turning something like that, and this one right here. Let's see how it goes. Then same thing with the garlic. I want to put it right there, going all the way, tossing the water, and then same thing here, tossing the water. Extra garlic, maybe we will be harvesting more garlic here, and we want to see how they grow. All right. So after 1 week, they are growing really good. All the garlic are growing, but onions only 2, 3. The other 2, I'm not sure. At least 3 or 4 are growing. Wow, wonderful! They will be ready to harvest after about 1 week.
So we have garlic. We planted about a month ago, and we didn't put anything. Only we put in water, as you can see. So beautiful, so glossy leaves here, and all the roots here. If we put in the soil, it might not grow like this. So it's a little surprising for me. These are onion. It was growing so good, but now some leaves are drooling. And here, this one is still coming up. This little guy is still coming up, but this is doing really good. But I did another experiment in soil. It didn't grow like this. Let me quickly cut it, and then we are going to make vegetable out of it. So we are going to put it right here, and this one also maybe. Let me cut it. The garlic too. I want to harvest. It's like it look like grass, but it's so beautiful garlic here. Smells so good, and right here, and then I think it will grow again. So we are trying to see if it will grow or not. But so now we want to put back in that one, and we'll just throw that. We'll put the fresh water. So we have a nice vegetable in the water. Just no fertilizer, no soil, nothing, just water. So this is the 5th time we are harvesting this garlic. If you plant once, you can harvest like every week. So this garlic is doing very, very good. I'm harvesting again and again and again and again. And this one right here. Yeah, so garlic is doing pretty fine here. And again, like after 1 week, I will harvest. I think it keeps going. I plan to harvest like 10 or more than 10 times this one. And then this is onion. Onion not doing so good, but it's still okay. I need. So we can harvest, and we don't need any soil, nothing here. Just water. Just put in the water, and they just keep growing and growing.